Hello everyone, Lucas Eddy here with Klim. Today we're going to be talking about the newly redesigned Dakar Jacket. We redesigned it a few years ago and now we're redesigning it again to further improve some small features and just refine it even further to make it even more functional. Let's start on the outside with the fabrics. First up is this upgraded 630 denier ripstop nylon here in the elbows, the shoulders, and other key areas around the jacket that are going to get higher wear. Then we have this 600 denier fabric all the way through the chest, the lower hems, the sleeves, the other areas that might get some wear, but not as much as these other more abrasion-y kind of areas. And then here, this light gray color you see, this is a stretch woven nylon, so it has some more flexibility and it breathes a bit of air, so you get some kind of passive airflow through here even when the vents are closed to help keep you comfortable. Speaking of the vents, we have a ton of venting options. You can pop all these huge pockets open if you want, get some more airflow. And the dedicated vents are here on the bicep, a double-headed vent down here on the lower arm, so you can unzip it from either way. Go ahead and spin around a little bit. We get vents on the back here as well. The last thing that vents a ton is if you take off these sleeves, which are removable. You pop the zippers off, unhook the pad pocket, which I'll get to in a second, and then you can pull off both sleeves, store them in this pocket back here, and you get even more airflow. Go ahead and turn around to the front. Then the last thing we have for venting is this collar tab back system you guys are familiar with on our other jackets. You take these little hooks and loops, connect them there, then you get more airflow into the chest as well. So, moving to the pockets. Like I said before, you have this huge pocket up here for snacks, an iPad if you want to bring that for some reason, whatever you want to put in there, like a map. Smaller chest pocket up there, two lower hand pockets, and then that pocket in the back that I mentioned where you can put the sleeves. Then, on the inside, we have this moisture wicking lining and again another pocket in there. This moisture wicking lining is going to pull that moisture away from your body, work with the fabrics, get rid of the moisture and the sweat, keep you cool, keep you comfortable. And then of course we also have the low profile black reflective over here that shines when light hits it, but it's not always shiny all the time, so it's not super obnoxious, but it still works. And the last thing here, some more adjustment features. We have a elastic bottom hem adjustment inside there, and then we have an adjustable collar on the top as well if you want to cinch that up if it starts getting cold. This is going to take you on those dual sport rides, those light adventure rides where you don't want to have a full waterproof jacket, you don't want to have a full like super armored up jacket right away. You can wear this over armor, you can wear a shell to protect you from the wind or from the cold or rain on top of this or underneath it, however you choose to layer. Then of course it pairs with the Dakar off-road pants, the in the boot and over the boot versions there. So the last thing that I need to mention about the armor, this is compatible with D3O armor in the shoulders, the elbows, and the back. Doesn't come with pads, but you can buy the pads separately and install them if you want. That's just an extra option in case you want to have separate pads on your body, in the jacket, whatever you want to do. That about covers the newly redesigned Dakar off-road jacket. Check it out on our website. Find us on social media. Find us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Klim Motorcycle. Follow us on there. If you guys have questions, let us know in the comments. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.
For more information on the products listed in this video, click on the link in the description area below. Feel free to call us with any questions or place an order at 800-969-7501. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment, share, and subscribe for all of the latest DK events, videos, and promos.